How to add a full reel on Instagram story. So what we're going to do is go to Instagram and go find the reel that you want to post. So I'm going to go over here and choose this one here. Go ahead and click the share button like you normally would and just add this to your story. Now what you're going to realize, it only allows to upload a 15-second clip. So what we can do is go ahead and X out of here, discard, go hit the share button one more time, and go ahead and hit copy link at the very bottom. Link is copied. We're going to come out of here and then go over to the App Store and search for Instant Save. What this is going to do is be able to allow you to download the entire reel. So we're going to go ahead and download this. It's very safe to do, so go ahead and install it on your phone. Once it's installed, go ahead and open it. Go ahead and hit OK. Once it's ready to go, it will automatically copy the link that you copied. It will take it from you and have it in its area here. So what you're going to do is hit the save button, and you're going to allow access so it can download it to your phone, and it is now on your phone. So what we can do is go ahead and come out of here, go back to Instagram, go ahead and click add to your story. So we're going to add to a story. And that full reel, no matter if it's 10 seconds or 15 seconds or 10 minutes if you really want to, is now on your story, and it's able to be uploaded and shared. And that's it. That's how you would add a full reel on Instagram.